Hi guys, today I'm going to be going through how to create a bar chart in Tableau. I will also go through how to clean it up and also how to work through the filters. First, we want to make sure that our data is inputted into Tableau. Then we want to go ahead and create a new sheet. In this sheet, we're going to take our qualitative data and move it into our columns and our quantitative data and move it into our rows. So our qualitative data is going to be any of our data with an ABC next to it. And then our quantitative data is going to be any of our data with the hashtag next to it. So for the purpose of this example, I'm going to go ahead and drag manager name into our columns. And then I'm going to drag intention to stay into our rows. With our quantitative data, we can go ahead and change the measure down here with the drop down bar. And then it automatically goes to sum, but we can go ahead and change that to average, medium, count, count distinct. For the purpose of this example, I'm going to go ahead and change it to average. Then what we want to do is we want to copy our quantitative data into the mark so we can control and drag it into our color. What this does is rearranges the color of our bars dependent upon the average intention to stay. To change the color, we can go ahead and click color, edit colors, and then right here where it says automatic, we can go ahead and click that drop down bar, and we have these options that we can go ahead and choose from. I'm going to go ahead and pick purple, and then we click the OK button. What that is going to do is change our bar color. Next, what we want to do is we can go ahead and change the way that the data is sorted. So we can do this two different forms. Under Windows, there's two buttons where we can sort the data by ascending, and then next to it, we can sort it descending. The other way to do this is where it says average intention to stay, there's a little button that we can go ahead and click on, and that will also change the way that the data is sorted. So I'm going to go ahead and change it back to descending. Next, we can change the title. So we want to double click the title up top, and then we can just change the title. I'm going to go ahead and change mine to managers by average intention to stay. And then we can go ahead and click the OK button. Next, we want to filter through some of the data that we have. We have a lot of names, so I'm going to go ahead and filter our manager name. I'm going to go ahead and drag the manager name into our filters, and it's going to pop up this text box. So in the text box, it's going to automatically have all of them selected, so we can go ahead and switch that to none, and then we can go ahead and select which names you want to include in your bar chart. So I'm just going to go ahead and go through and click random names just for the purpose of this example. And you can go ahead and click through as many or as few names as you would like. But once you're done, you want to go ahead and click the OK button down at the bottom. That is going to go ahead and just include the names that you have selected. So now you have a completed bar chart. I really hope that this video was helpful and gave you the refresher that you needed.